so ongoing Ghana Party in the Park, UK, and man, this is original local food from Ghana.
Thank you.
And this is pounded, not said, yeah. And you see our bread over here, enjoying it.
So when I finish this free, I won't pay, yeah?
Record.
Hey, a free advert.
Hey, a free advert. Yeah.
Thank you,
man. Cookie with Sindaco. Arcado. Hey, my Chaka Sanka so. Oh, mamma.
Big time.
Yeah. Wow. Okay. Man, this is interesting. So I just met a group of the family here, and man, they're coming for food. Ghana Party in the Park. Man, UK, as I told you, land in the UK, everything is possible. Everything is possible, man. Arcado.
Number 1 fan,
okay. Cookie with Sindaco.
Huh?
Okay. Cookie with Sindaco. Sindaco.
Original chopper.
Wow. Man, this is Antisius kitchen inside Harold. Okay, so Antisius kitchen inside. Yes, sir. We are now okay. When you play here, what's the name?
Yeah, shut up. Yeah.
You're welcome. Yo, boss man.
Yeah,
what's
boss.
up? How you doing?
Good,
Hey, for that trip from the check
Oh, Charlie, when you
Ibrahim, okay, what am I saying? Okay, no, first time we're gonna party in the park in now.
Yeah, my first time.
Oh, so, okay. Hello, mommy. Mommy, what's up?
Yeah, Charlie, I'm cool. Yeah, everything is cool.
Yeah, what's your name?
Yeah, my name is Anisha.
Anisha, are you Ghanaian?
I am Ghanaian,
Okay,
yes.
okay. And this is the first time being here or being here?
No, I've been here almost every year.
I come every year,
before
okay.
the COVID.
Before the COVID, okay, yeah, okay. So how are you enjoying that? How you
I'm enjoying it. I had some fufu and light soup and it slowed me down. That's why I'm patching over here.
Yeah.
I'll be going down to the dancing.
Yes, you need to some energy to take away some the weight.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's for sure. But I'm enjoying it because I'm meeting new friends.
Yeah.
And I think Ghanaians are doing well. I mean, the food was really nice.
No, Ghanaian food, local food, you know, like, you can't go wrong with it.
Varieties, and there's different stalls with different things. Business is booming. Yes, I'm enjoying it. I love your beard,
My beard.
Oh my
they
God.
Say,
What color is that?
I don't know if it's round or brown or yellow.
Yeah,
I don't know.
like my hair color, innit? My hair
Yeah. But they say I take it off. It doesn't fit me.
Oh, nah, you enjoy it, mate.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whatever you do, people will have something to say.
Sure.
If you're happy with it, you go with it.
Yeah, thank you.
As long as you're not being what do you call it? You're not destroying someone's life. When you're happy, stay happy, mate. All right. Thank you.